Hi everyone, Wednesday's corrections for Master Maths. So let's have a look straight away at the answers. So for question 1, it's 800 divided by 10 minus 7. So 800 divided by 10. Well, first of all, you can do that in your head. You simply take away a 0. So you end up with 80. So it's going to be 80 minus 7. And 80 minus 7, you can do that in your head. The answer is 73. Question 2 is an adding sum, simple addition. Start with your units and work your way along. And I have the answer made out here already. You should have gotten the answer there. 8,341. Okay, 8341. Question 3 is another one you can do in your head. It's 500, take away 130. So let's take 100 away from it first of all, that's easy. So 500 take away 100 is of course 400. And then let's go back 30 from 400. So we can go back in tens. 390, 380, 370. So the answer for number 3 is 370. Question 4, you're simply switching them around. So 3 times 7 is the exact same as saying 7 times 3, or 7 multiplied by 3. Okay, and of course you see the answer in the factors box there, it's 21. So 7 by 3. Question 5, can you write 7 as a fraction of 12? Well, that's easy. 7 as a fraction of 12 is of course 7 twelfths. Question 6, name the type of triangle shown. Now I measured these already, so the larger side is 3 centimeters. And then the other two sides are the same. They're 1.7 centimeters each. So any triangle that has two sides of the same length, it's called an isosceles triangle. Okay. An isosceles triangle. Question 7, how many faces has a hexagonal prism? So if you were to draw a hexagon first of all, you probably all know that a hexagon has 6 sides. But of course a prism has volume, so you have your 6 sides around the shape, and of course you will also have a back face and a front face to that. So 6 plus 2 is 8. So a hexagonal prism will have 8 faces. 2:15 as a digital time, that's easy. 2:15 as a digital time is 2:15. 2:15. Question 9, how much heavier is 34.6 kilograms compared to 26.7 kilograms? So we'll do that out as a sum very quickly. 34.6 kilograms, and we're taking away 26.7 kilograms. Okay, and we'll put in our decimal point and our unit of measurement first. Okay, 6 take away 7 you cannot do. Cross out the 4, it becomes 3, bring over the 1. 16 take away 7 is of course 9, isn't it? 9. 3 take away 6, I cannot do. Cross out the 3, it becomes a 2, and bring over the 1. 13 take away 6 is 7. And finally then 2 take 2 is 0, so that's nothing. So the answer there is 7.9 kilograms. Okay. Question 10, what is the chance of a storm happening today? Well, I'm looking out the window here and it's nice and calm, getting a small bit cloudy. So I would say there the chance is unlikely. Unlikely that there's going to be a storm today on Wednesday. Question 11, 7 hours 27 minutes, take away 1 hour 28. Now we might do that out as a sum again because these ones can be tricky. So we have 7 hours 27 minutes. And we're taking away 1 hour 28 minutes. Okay. Okay, now just for these ones, we might have some renaming to do here because you can see you can't take 28 away from 27. And because there's 60 minutes in an hour, you can't rename over here to hours. So we're going to have to rewrite this as something else. So we're going to take an hour out of this, and that gives us 6 hours. And we're going to put that hour into the minutes. So we're going to rename that hour as 60 minutes. So 60 plus 27 is 87 minutes. Okay. And we keep the same below. So what I've done here is I can now do the sum because 87 is bigger than 28. I couldn't do it earlier because 27 was smaller. So all I did was I renamed the top line. So we should be able to do it now. We'll just put in our hours and minutes. 7 take away 8, cannot do. 8 becomes a 7, bring over the 1. So 17 take away 8 is 9. 7 take 2 is 5. And then 6 take 1 is 5. So the answer there for that one, number 11, is 5 hours and 59 minutes. Question 12, write 132 centimetres as a decimal. Well, that's easy, it's going to be 1.32 metres. Okay, because there's 100 centimetres in a metre. 1.32 metres. Okay, so that's 1 to 12.